Alright, so in this video, I'm gonna just continue to modify this piece, set both of these up for print, just make everything look better than the last one, and there's a few things I need to fix. So I decided to put these copper things not over here, but instead over here, and I actually need to move this over to right here because that's where it should come out of. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do that. So as you see here, this is the glass piece, so I'm gonna mold this, some type of injection type mold, and it looks a lot different, and it sticks out so that it's flush with that, so everything's flush. Alright, so the next thing I have to do is I printed out this piece and that piece, and I figured out what I wanted to do and what I wanted to change. And for example, instead of putting the copper over here, I put it right here. So I need to make the connections for it, and then I'm gonna print out the two pieces instead of slicing it right here up and down. I'm gonna try to make it blend in with all this. that's the video for the day. I didn't finish completing the models for the print because I have other things I need to do. But yeah, it definitely takes time, but pretty soon I'll be able to make it so that it, like, everything connects at the seam, so you can't really tell where it's split, which is the goal. But it takes some time and some fiddling around and a lot of trial and error. But anyways, if you made it this far, please subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.